Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Lifeproof case for the Samsung Galaxy S9. This is the free case from Lifeproof. I picked this up at Walmart for about $35, which is a pretty good deal comparing to most of the other Lifeproof cases. I know they used to be around $60, but I think they're actually dropping in price now. So that's pretty awesome. But anyway, I'm just going to be going over the features on the box, and then we'll put it on the phone and see how it looks. So, Live 360, designed for Samsung. It's waterproof, dirt-proof, snow-proof, and drop-proof. And then these are the colors. It's the lime green and black. It's IP68 water resistant. Military standard, drop protection, and Lifeproof every case water tested quality. So that's pretty nice. And then we got 360 protection, full function. It's pretty much really what you got there. You can submerge it 2 meters for up to 1 hour, and it's sealed from dirt, dust, and snow. Survives drops from 2 meters, which is about 6 feet. So both drops and water for 6 feet about. So presentation's pretty simple. It's just a box, and then you slide this part out with the case. That's all you got in there. And then here's the case itself, but we'll check out what else we got. So right here's a little dongle thing for the water resistant seal. It's a little auxiliary adapter, because it's got the thread right here and the little waterproof seal. So you can just screw that in there, and then you can plug in whatever aux thing into here. So that's nice they include that. I would be mad if they didn't. And then on the inside is just some instructions of how to put it on and test for water leaks. Alright, so case itself, inside it comes with a microfiber cloth branded with a Lifeproof logo somewhere right here. See, it says Lifeproof. Just a nice little microfiber cloth to clean off your phone before you put it in. And then for the case itself, it's 2 layers. Right here on the inside, if it'll focus, on the inside here are some those black bumpers, or little rubber bumpers all around the inside for protection. And then this is like a plastic screen protector built in. And then the back has the seal, that yellow rubber seal right there, and then the fingerprint sensor hole, camera hole, and all that, the flash. So this back is just like a plastic. It's kind of bendy. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the phone in. So I always recommend just to wipe it off on the inside and outside before you put your phone in, just so you don't have any like dust or hairs or anything inside it. Blow it out. So all you do to put it on is you're gonna wipe your phone down, and then put it face down in the screen protector part, just like that. And then you got the back. Blow it off, make sure there's no hair in the seal, and then just snap the back on. And of course you have the Lifeproof logo right there on the case. Here's what the outside looks. You have the little flap for the charging. Speaker right there. Lifeproof again. Power buttons in the top. Then that's what it looks like on the back. It's a very nice looking case, and it's actually really thin, thinner than an OtterBox. The rubberized grip is like on the front piece here, but the back piece is all plastic, so it'll slide into your pocket nice. If you're wearing jeans, like tight jeans, it'll still slide into your pocket pretty easily. Another thing that is nice about this case is it does cover the screen pretty well on the front face. As you can see here, there's a big bezel right here that sticks up quite a bit above the screen and on the top. And then the sides do come up. Maybe, I think the screen comes up more. The sides don't very necessarily cover the screen all the way. It's kind of hard to see, but definitely does not completely cover the screen on these sides right here. And then another thing to mention real quick is it's a lot harder to get the fingerprint sensor to work in this case. I usually have to just use like the tip of my finger, because if you try to go like that, for some reason it doesn't work that well, and I always have to try multiple times to get it to work, going like that. But it's easier to use like the tip of your finger, and that's pretty much all I have really to complain about this case. Other than that, it's really nice. That's going to conclude it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. There'll be a link here in the corner to go to my channel, so make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.